pole is equal to 15 meters. ఇది 15 meters. AB is a pole length. AB pole length shadow is BC is a 15.3 meters. Length of shadow pole. Length of shadow pole. Shadow of pole is equal to 15.3. This angle is equal to this angle are equal. Depression angle are equal. This one is equal to opposite by adjacent is equal to tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is equal to AB by adjacent BC. Tan theta is equal to AB is equal to 15 meters. BC is equal to 15√3 meters. 15 cancel. Tan theta is equal to 1/√3. Tan theta is equal to tan 1/√3 is equal to tan 30 degrees. Put theta is equal to 30 degrees. Angle of elevation.